Here are the key takeaways from the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Number 1. The fundamental principle. Carnegie emphasizes that the most important aspect of human interaction is making the other person feel important and appreciated. People are more likely to respond positively if they feel valued. Number 2. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Avoid criticizing or condemning others, as it only puts them on the defensive. Instead, strive to understand their perspective and address concerns in a constructive manner. Number 3. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Genuinely appreciate the efforts and qualities of others. A heartfelt compliment can go a long way in creating positive relationships. Number 4. Arouse an eager want. Instead of imposing your ideas on others, try to understand their desires and needs. Present your ideas in a way that aligns with their interests. Number 5. Become a good listener. Pay close attention to what others are saying. People appreciate being heard and understood. Listening also provides valuable information about their preferences and concerns. Number 6. Talk in terms of others' interests. When communicating, focus on the other person's interests. This helps to establish a connection and engage them in the conversation. Number 7. Make the other person feel important. Give others a sense of importance by acknowledging their contributions and accomplishments. This can boost their self-esteem and strengthen the relationship. Number 8. Show respect for others' opinions. Even if you disagree with someone, show respect for their viewpoint. Avoid arguments and instead find common ground to build upon. Number 9. Admit your mistakes. Be willing to admit when you're wrong. This displays humility and can diffuse potential conflicts. Number 10. Begin in a friendly way. Approach conversations with a positive and welcoming attitude. This sets a pleasant tone for the interaction. Number 11. Let the other person feel it's their idea. Instead of imposing your solutions, guide others to come up with their own ideas. People are more likely to be enthusiastic about an idea they think they've discovered themselves. Number 12. Try to see things from others' perspectives. Empathy plays a significant role in effective communication. Try to understand others' feelings and viewpoints to build stronger connections. Number 13. Appeal to noble motives. When influencing others, appeal to their sense of integrity, altruism, and other noble motives. Number 14. Dramatize your ideas. Use vivid and engaging language to make your ideas more captivating and memorable. Number 15. Throw down a challenge. People often rise to meet challenges. Presenting a challenge can motivate others to take action and achieve more. Number 16. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. When offering criticism, start with genuine praise to soften the impact and make the person more receptive to your feedback. Number 17. Give others a fine reputation to live up to. Set high expectations for others, and they will often strive to meet those expectations. Number 18. Use encouragement and praise liberally. Positive reinforcement encourages desired behavior and boosts morale. Number 19. Make the other person feel satisfied and important. After a successful interaction, ensure that the other person feels satisfied and valued. Number 20. Inspire enthusiasm. Create an enthusiastic and positive environment that encourages cooperation and collaboration.